Maybach music.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna
Right guys, today we're in the New Forest and we're looking for underground bunkers which are from World War II. I've already come across that building over there, which is all smashed down, and then this one here. But this has been blocked up already. Sorry, I keep looking. This is the second building I've just found, obviously smashed up. You never know, this could still have bunkers underneath it, but I'm guessing this was just a building that was on top of the ground, so we'll keep looking and go see what we can find. Right, I'm starting to find signs of finding this place. There's man-made pits, trenches and bunkers. We found it! Fucking right, boys! Gotta say, we've been trekking for it for fucking ages. Is it? So we basically walked around the whole woods to find it on the one path. Yeah, that's definitely got to be some of it. If you used to dig that out. Oh, fuck me, yeah. Right, guys, we finally found these bunkers, but I doubt we're going to be able to get inside them. Here you go, got a path over here. Oh, fuck, they're gated. Sadly, at the moment, they've recently put a padlock on it, so I can't actually get in this one, but a bit shit, really. Oh, that's gonna piss me right off. Fuck's sake. Oh, what's this down here then, boys? There's more little exit tunnels and a lot everywhere. Whoa. That is all just soft ground, look. You could dig right down in that, probably get in somewhere. But that's pretty much it, guys.